Summer camps are happening all over the place right now, certainly focusing on different themes and skills.
But one camp at Signal Centers isn't just about fun and friendship. It's about helping children who have a hard time communicating learn how to make a connection.
Go to animals.
A group of children sitting together, listening to a story. It happens in classrooms all the time.
Awesome.
But take a close look at what's happening around this circle.
They're looking at different icons. We build sentences individually with words.
Molly Littleton is the director of Signal Center's Chatter Camp.
These children have difficulty being understood or have difficulty communicating at all. But often they have the ability, they just don't have the tools to use it. So we teach them how to use these to talk.
Each child has a communication device, often on an iPad. Though speaking is difficult, communicating is getting easier.
My name is Kylie.
Kylie is 15 years old. She uses her eyes to choose icons on a screen to answer questions. How does it feel to be able to use a computer to talk to people?
I feel excited.
And now this device is helping her make friends too, like 10-year-old Carmaya. What's your favorite thing about camp?
Carmaya's best friend now is Kylie.
It's the kind of relationship that Camp Chatter is all about.
Communication is the key, I think, to open the world.
Teaching the 12 campers that you don't necessarily have to talk to make a connection.
It is so much fun to see them blossom.
The camp is made up of volunteers who work as physical therapists, speech therapists, and teachers during the school year.